Hey Canyon ukulele players. So in this video we are going to talk about how to tune our ukulele. So the easiest way to do it is if you have a tuner that you purchased, maybe one that clips on to the end of your ukulele that shows if your note is flat or sharp. If your tuner goes to the left, it's flat. If the needle goes to the right, then it's sharp. So that's the easiest way to do it. Or there are tuners you can buy that are like little boxes that you can set on your music stand and look at. And there are also tuning apps you can get in the App Store on your phone. Most of those are free, and some of them work pretty well. So you just got to find one that works for you. But if you don't have a tuner and you still want to be able to tune your ukulele, I found a website that has the 4 ukulele notes on it that you can play and then listen to and tune your ukulele yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to make this a bit smaller here. So what we're going to type in is ukulele tuner Fender. So I'll just type the whole thing out. Ukulele tuner Fender. We click on the first link right here. And then it's going to take us to the Fender website that has a ukulele tuner. So here we have all of these notes. So those are the notes on a ukulele. My ukulele is intentionally out of tune right now, and I'm going to show you how to tune it using this. So that doesn't sound very good, but we're going to figure this out with this website here. So this is what the top string G is supposed to sound like. So I play mine. So my note is lower than the note here that it's supposed to sound like. Ba, ba, da. So since my note is low, I need to tune it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tuning peg for the G and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. I'm going to twist it out until it sounds like this note. There we go, that sounds about right. And so if you're using a tuner, a tuning app, or an actual physical tuner that you bought, then again, if the needle is going to the left, if it's highlighting toward the left, then, or I guess it would be the opposite way since it's in the video, but if it's going to the left, then that means it's flat, and that means you have to twist it on this, you have to twist it counterclockwise to tune it up. And obviously you would go the opposite way if it was sharp and you needed to tune it down. Okay, so now let's check out our C string. So it's almost in tune, but do you hear those waves going back and forth? Da, da. So my C is just slightly above what it's supposed to be, because on this website this is what it's supposed to be. So mine's a little sharp, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the C tuning peg and turn it clockwise. I'm going to twist it in toward me just a little bit. There we go, that's sounding better. Okay, let's move on to the next string. Here's E. Okay, so again, my E is lower, it's flat compared to what it's supposed to be. So since now we're on the lower peg, to bring the pitch higher, I'm going to twist it clockwise. I'm going to make the string tighter. As you make the string tighter, the pitch goes up. There we go, that's sounding good for the E. Okay, now let's go to our last string, A. So my A is higher than what it's supposed to be. Okay, so mine is a little too sharp on A, so I'm going to take the A peg and twist it counterclockwise to make it a bit lower. Okay, there we go. Now it's starting to sound more like what it's supposed to sound like. So let's play a C chord to make sure it sounds good. That sounds pretty good to me. So that is how you use your tuning pegs to tune your ukulele. I hope this video helps you tune your ukulele before every time you play it.